Are you considering using samples in your research? Well, you're in the right place. Using samples is a crucial aspect of conducting research, and here's why. Firstly, samples allow researchers to gather data from a smaller population, saving time and resources. By studying a sample instead of the entire population, researchers can make generalizations and draw conclusions. Using samples also reduces the chances of errors in data collection and analysis. Samples provide a more manageable and feasible approach to research, especially when dealing with large populations. Another reason for using samples is that it improves the reliability and validity of research results. Sampling ensures that the data collected represents the characteristics of the larger population accurately. Furthermore, samples allow for greater diversity in research, enabling researchers to study multiple groups or subpopulations within a larger population. Using samples also offers a way to test hypotheses, explore relationships, and make predictions. Samples help researchers understand the behavior and characteristics of the entire population by studying a representative subset. Moreover, samples make it possible to conduct longitudinal studies by collecting data from the same individuals over an extended period. Using samples in research allows for better control over variables and reduces the impact of confounding factors. Samples provide a way to examine rare or hard-to-reach populations, enhancing the inclusivity and diversity of research findings. Additionally, using samples assists in the generalizability of research findings to a larger population. Samples facilitate the process of data analysis by providing manageable datasets for statistical calculations and interpretation. Using samples allows researchers to gain insights into specific groups or demographics that might have unique characteristics or needs. Samples enable researchers to identify trends, patterns, and correlations within a population. Furthermore, samples can help researchers allocate resources more efficiently by targeting specific groups for interventions or programs. Using samples in research promotes ethical considerations by minimizing potential harm or invasion of privacy to the population. Samples offer a cost-effective approach, as it is often impractical or impossible to collect data from an entire population. Moreover, samples allow researchers to replicate studies and validate findings across different populations or contexts. Using samples provides an opportunity for researchers to test theories and frameworks in real-world situations. By using samples, researchers can identify outliers or extreme cases that may contribute to the understanding of a phenomenon. Additionally, samples help to establish benchmarks or normative standards for a population. Using samples allows researchers to compare different groups or populations, leading to a better understanding of similarities and differences. Samples facilitate the process of data visualization, making it easier to present findings in a clear and concise manner. Moreover, using samples enhances the practicality and feasibility of research in terms of time and logistics. Samples allow researchers to estimate the prevalence of certain characteristics within a population accurately. Using samples promotes transparency in research, as it provides a clear methodology for selecting participants. Furthermore, samples can help researchers identify potential biases or limitations in their study design. Samples provide a foundation for future research, allowing for the expansion and refinement of knowledge in a particular field. Using samples ensures that research findings are more representative and applicable to the real world. In conclusion, using samples in research offers numerous benefits, allowing researchers to conduct valid, reliable, and impactful studies.